Welcome to our How to Plan Your Travel channel. Your one-stop guide for everything. Okay. Let's talk about exciting travel adventure in Switzerland and Italy. Today, we'll take you on a journey filled with breathtaking landscapes, cultural experiences, and unforgettable memories. So fasten your seatbelts and let's get started. I used Microsoft Excel for preparing this itinerary. Please be careful with your spellings and grammar. Let's begin. Write your name here. Let's make our itinerary in a table like this. It's easy to understand. The table column names are day, date, city or the attraction you intend to visit, the activities you like to do there and last where you gonna stay during this day. My sample itinerary will help you. Let's go through it. Day 1, Zurich. Our adventure begins in the charming city of Zurich. After a comfortable flight, we arrive at Zurich Airport at 13:40. From there, we make our way to the Park Hotel du Sauvage, located in Meiringen. After checking in, we pick up our rental car and set off on an exploration of Zurich's highlights. Day 2, Zurich. Today, we immerse ourselves in the vibrant city of Zurich. We embark on a city tour, discovering the city's rich history, beautiful architecture, and bustling streets. Our next stop is Mount Pilatus, where we ascend to its majestic summit and marvel at the panoramic views. Later, we visit the Swiss Transport Museum, a fascinating place that showcases the evolution of transportation in Switzerland. Day 3, Lucerne. From Zurich, we board a train to Lucerne, a picturesque city surrounded by stunning mountains. Our first stop is Mount Titlis, where we hop on a thrilling train ride that takes us through the Swiss Alps, offering breathtaking views at every turn. After an awe-inspiring day, we head back to Lucerne for a relaxing evening. Day 4, Interlaken. Today, we embark on a scenic journey to Interlaken. Our adventure begins with a cable car and train ride to Jungfraujoch, famously known as the top of Europe. At over 11,000 feet above sea level, we experience the majesty of the Swiss Alps up close, surrounded by snow-capped peaks and pristine glaciers. Then we visit breathtaking Lauterbrunnen. Day 5, Interlaken. On this day, we embark on the GoldenPass line, a train route that takes us through the stunning landscapes of Gstaad and Montreux. As we travel through charming Swiss villages and panoramic vistas, we can't help but be captivated by the natural beauty that surrounds us. Day 6, Chur and Bernina Express. It's time to bid farewell to Interlaken as we head towards Chur. After checking out from our hotel, we hand over the rental car at Zurich HB and board a train to Chur. From there, we embark on an unforgettable journey aboard the Bernina Express. Passing through the scenic landscapes of the Swiss and Italian Alps, we reach our final destination, Tirano, Italy, where we check into our hotel for the night. Day 7, Rome. Today, we bid farewell to Italy's beautiful countryside as we travel from Tirano to Milan. From Milan, we continue our journey to Rome, the Eternal City. After checking into our hotel, we venture out to explore the iconic Colosseum Park, a testament to the grandeur of ancient Rome. Day 8, Rome. In Rome, we dive deeper into its rich history and culture. We visit the Capitoline Hill, home to some of the city's most important ancient ruins. Next, we explore the Trinità dei Monti Church, standing proudly at the top of the Spanish Steps, and admire the elegant portico of Octavia. Day 9, Vatican. Today, we venture into the Vatican City, the smallest independent state in the world. We marvel at the grandeur of St. Peter's Basilica, witness the breathtaking beauty of the Sistine Chapel, and explore the Vatican museums, home to priceless works of art. If we're lucky, we might even attend a mass, a truly unique experience. Day 10, Geneva. It's time to bid farewell to Rome as we travel to our final destination, Geneva. After checking out from our hotel, we head to Geneva and check into our comfortable accommodation. We embark on a city tour, discovering the city's international atmosphere, stunning Lake Geneva, and iconic landmarks. Day 11, Geneva. Our adventure sadly comes to an end today. After checking out from our hotel, we make our way to Geneva Airport, where we board our flight back to Doha, Qatar. As we take off, we reminisce about the incredible memories we've made during this unforgettable journey. Thank you for joining us on this incredible adventure through Switzerland and Italy. Subscribe to my channel. We hope you've enjoyed this glimpse into the wonders of these two beautiful countries. Until our next adventure, safe travels and happy exploring.